guys, here we go with our fourth and final eBay break of the night. Prizm Draft Choice, 4-box break. Optic Football. Pick your team. Number 7 is on the schedule for next. Couple of spots left is all. We know that one will get done tonight one way or another. And some more metal football. I got another box break up, a leaf metal up there too. But anyway, check it out. BomberBreaks.com, guys. For you guys that are basketball collectors, we're at Impeccable. We got Recon and Optic up there, and we'll be live again tomorrow night. So if they don't quite get broken or filled up tonight, we'll be live tomorrow. Already be going on tomorrow evening, probably around 7. And I will be seeing you guys on Wednesday in the afternoon for Series 2 baseball and more stuff as well. All right, so on this one, guys, hey, I just want to reference real quick on our website, bomberbreaks.com. Let's see, where is that? I just had it up. Oh, that's why. There we go. So we have this that was published back in November. I did a full rundown of all of these players, the draft picks, and where all they go. So you can reference to that. This will be my main reference. And then if we hit an autograph card or anything like super low numbered, I'll just double check it if we need to, like where the player is, if you happen to get signed. But G Leagues, of course, are not really, they're free agents. They're not really part of an NBA team. So that unsigned spot would get guys that were G League only. And the unsigned side of that. So Brad, I see you have the unsigned only, so just as a quick note on that one. Anybody that's on the G League currently and not ever been signed, which we'll just let that key be the main thing. Of course, I'll say whose team on what on at least the autographs. There'll be some vets in here, current teams, of course, and then all those rookies and stuff. They run the gamut, man. There's all kinds from the stars to guys that were obviously stars in college, but not much after that. So welcome in. Thanks for joining in, guys. My name is Chris. Of course, you guys looks like they've all been guys and gals that have bought in the past. So I'll just say thank you, and we'll move on. We'll just go ahead and open up the boxes. But just as a reminder, the discount code's still good on those teams. Tonight it's Finals Sunday 10. We'll save 10% on any of those pick your team breaks on our website without they're not fillers. That is without any fillers. So let's roll through. I got Brad B with the Grizzlies, Bucks, Pelicans, Suns, Trailblazers, and that unsigned spot. Danny D with the Pistons, Rockets, Pacers, and Magic. Danny D. Darian F with the Kings. Donovan M with the Warriors. Sean G with the Cavaliers. Kyle M. Bulls, Heat, Timberwolves, Raptors. Travis L. Jazz. Kerry with the Celtics, Clippers, Lakers. Steven Brothers, Mavericks, Nuggets. Craig K. Thunder, Spurs, Wizards. Tim R. with the Hawks and the Knicks. And then Wyatt has the Nets, Hornets, and 76ers. All right, so let's see what we can do. If we hit a multi-team card, of course, you got to own over 50% to keep it. Otherwise, we'll randomize it. All right, so here we go. Silver Mathurin. Ain't a bad rookie there for Indiana. All right, rookie, red kaleidoscope. 16 of 88, Pippen Jr. Pippen Jr., 16 of 88. That's our serial numbered card. And then I've got the blue, yellow, green, Brandon Ingram. Basically, every card gets a sleeve on this one. Larry Bird. And a rookie, Justin Lewis. So, for example, Justin Lewis, he signed a 2-way contract with the Bulls, so it'll go to the Bulls. Jabari Smith, silver rookie. And this Benedict Mathurin, by the way, is a variation. It says a V on the back when they're the landscape version. All right, and a Chris Paul there for the veteran side. All right, our autograph is a Bryce McGowens. Bryce McGowens. That one I have heard for the Hornets, and yes, it is. Charlotte on the Bryce. And the Charlotte Hornets. Wyatt, congrats. That's you, man. 86 of 88. 86 of 88. All right, nice variation here of Jabari. Check that out. Jabari Smith variation in that choice exclusive tricolor. Kaleidoscopes. Really nice. And here's Johnny. Johnny Davis for Washington. 79 of 88. Nice. Then we have Isaiah Thomas. Jovic. Nikola Jovic. And a Kevin Durant. Silvers, Orlando Robinson. Miami Heat signed a Summer League deal. And Jerry West. Silver, of course, the Los Angeles Lakers. Nice card here out of Purdue. There he is, guys. Another Zach Edey. Boom. For the unsigned spot that includes the guys that ain't signed anywhere, the guys that are still in the college ranks or lower. So Zach Edey, congrats to Brad with that spot right there, man. 36 of 88. Zach Edey. Sensational signatures. Awesome. All right. Blake Wesley out of Notre Dame. That's a variation. A tricolor variation. And a Kyrie Irving. Kyrie, 43 of 88. This thing's got some crazy curves to him. All right. Gene Montero. Tyler Hero. And a Bradley Beal. Bryce McGowens, silver rookie. And a Patrick Ewing. And our autograph is penmanship, Darion Sebron. Darion Sebron. I don't know about Darion. I gotta look him up. Looks like Pelicans had him on a two-way deal. Just double check. Yep. All right, so the Pelicans will receive that one. Marlins, congrats. All right. Ooh, I like this. We got a little tiger, guys. Boom! Jordan Walsh. Rated prospect. Another nice hit for the unsigned. Jordan Walsh. Wow. And our numbered 88, Christian Coloco. Nate, how you doing, man? How'd the weekend go? Was there any well, there's no bets. There were no bets placed, I'm sure. No bets. Hopefully you and Artie put some good numbers together, man. Gilgis Alexander on that tricolor. And Allen Iverson. And a Jimmy Butler. Jimmy Butler. Marquette man. All right, silvers now. Last cards. Good luck, guys. There's Bradley Beal. Malachi Branham. And the last one, it is a Notre Dame. Man, it's a Blake Wesley. So Blake Wesley. I know he is, he's on, yeah, the Spurs got him, yeah. San Antonio, 84 of 88. So congrats to the Spurs spot. So the autographs. Wesley, Sebron, Edie again, and Bryce McGowan's. Coloco to 88. Jordan Walsh, the short print. Tiger. Irving, Johnny Davis out of 88. Pippen Jr. And that was pretty cool. The Jabari Smith tricolor variation. Of course, all cards are going to get top loaded, guys. We'll just flip through them again really quick so you guys can see them at the end there. So thank you all for giving it a chance. 4 quick boxes of the beautiful Prizm Draft Picks Choice. Some good looking stuff in there. All right, man. I'll sign off on that break. Coming up next, Optic Football. New case open for you. We got 2 left. That's all. I can do that Pro Set Metal box in front of the Optic while we wait. But anyway, if you guys are taking off, give the fairway. Thanks for joining in. And as they say in show business, that's a wrap.